Here you go, number 7 from last night's homework. We have angle 2, 70, angle FAB, 180, and angle 3, 110, angle CDE, 180, and angle 4, 110. All right. Questions? Anything on that one? Yep.
Just for the justification of a straight angle, you just write measure of a straight line.
That's fine. Equals 180. That's fine. Anything else? Okay, any other proofs you want me to just review real quick? I will let you know if you want me to do it, that's fine, but I'm letting you know number 6 had to have 2 substitutions. If you have substitution written once, it's not going to cut it. We talked yesterday. You can only substitute 2 at a time, and there's no 2 up here that'll get to dB equals EC. You needed to do 2 different substitutions. Any others you want to talk about or have me go over up here? Anything else? Nothing else. We're all good then. Last call for these proofs. Are we getting somewhat more confident in attacking these? Because the ones on the unit test are no different than the ones you did last night. They're no different than the ones you did last night. Okay, I'm not going to come up with these super, super tough ones. You can't. There's only so much you can do with all these theorems. So, okay, let me take a quick look at it, and then we'll talk about what's going on with the unit test. So here you go. It's 41 points, 13 questions. Out of those 13 guys, only 4 will be proofs. All right, only 4 will be proofs. 5 points each, but it is half the test because if you take a look, 4 proofs, 5 points apiece, that's 20 points right there out of the 41. So almost half will come from the proofs. You're also going to have algebra with angles. I think we've done a couple of them every night. You're going to solve for an angle or a variable, and I'm going to say why. Use a theorem. Linear pairs are supplementary. Vertical angles are congruent. And then what postulate am I using? I say see the first three questions on your quiz, but I haven't handed back your quiz yet. Hopefully I'll do that on Tuesday if I can. Okay? All good? But if you remember the first couple questions from your quiz, that's what it was. What postulate am I using? All right? And really, that's about it. Anything in general you want to ask? I feel like this unit's been going on for a while now, and you guys are starting to get tired of it, which is a good thing. Yep, Dewey? Yep. Yeah, there's always partial credit on the proofs. Not partial credit if you just write in given and a bunch of reflexive, though. You got to show me something to get partial credit. Okay. Anything else? And again, these 4 proofs, nothing different than what you've seen. Nothing tougher, I don't think, anyway. Anything going? Okay, as usual, just like I did Unit 1, take a look at your packet, please, starting on page 39. Okay, starting on page 39, you will see, I believe there's 12 different review questions for you to try out. This is a unique unit where there's nothing really in the book that will help you out, so I didn't assign extra textbook questions for you. And this is it. This is all I have for you. Okay, so if you plan on coming in and saying, do you have extra proofs for these? I don't. The only extra proofs I have are the 4 that I put on the test. Okay, I have literally given you everything I have as far as any proofs that concerning the postulates or angle theorems we've went over. Okay, so this is it right here on page 39 and 40. You can always go back and look at all the other proofs that we've done. I think we're probably up to at least 30 to 40 already, right? That you've probably done throughout this whole unit. I will warn you about one thing. Sorry. If you look at in the answer key, okay, the proofs are done out. All right, but this answer key is from another teacher. We flip-flop every unit doing the answer key. So some of the stuff she may have her kids use, I don't have you guys use, and vice versa. All right, so you may see definition of perpendicular when we usually write perpendicular lines form right angles. Okay, so just be aware of that. All right, you can always ask me if your proof's okay. Questions, comments, any concerns? Because all the rest of the time is you guys. All right, guys, are we all good here? Because I don't think some people realize the impact. It's going to be Wednesday, and this is the last time we talk about it. We're all good? Okay, I'm going to open it up to you guys. Go right ahead. Work with, I don't like it when you guys move around because not much of work gets done. So stay in your groups. All right, and then call me over if you want me to look at anything. But again, you guys have an answer key on the back, remember. You have an answer key on the back.